Hi guys, we received this portable wireless smart navigation system for your car, or my car, for various purposes. And first thing we see when we open it is the product diagrams and the owner's manual. This is all the instructions you need. Let's check it out. This is a screen. It's a really nice screen. As you can see, have some adhesive to place it on your car. This is for the lighter. This is how you fix it upon your car. Okay, this, you take it, place it in here and slide it like that. So it goes. Use the adhesive to place it. Okay, take this one, place it right here and put it on your car lighter. And if you wanna listen through the speakers of your car, any music you play, just take this cable, put it in the auxiliary port and connect it to your car radio. Okay, so I'm going to place it. Okay, let's go. So as you can see, now it's ready. I'm using CarPlay with my cell phone. I've connected the auxiliary and it looks really nice. It works perfect and I will really recommend it. It's a nice addition to have in your car. See ya!